Hello people and welcome to the 8th tutorial of Twitter Bootstrap. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create a popover in Twitter Bootstrap. So what is the popover? Popover is like when you have a link or a button, and when you have a mouse over that link or a button, another box pops up next to it giving the information about that button. So I will show you how does it look like. So what do we need to do is, in this tutorial we need to give a plugins. We need to have a jQuery plugins. So either you can download jQuery plugin from a jQuery website and save it on your local computer and give a link into your HTML document, or you can give a link to the online jQuery which is hosted by the Google, which I'm using. So choice is yours, whichever you want to use, but we need to have a jQuery plugins for this tutorial, and we need to have 2 more JavaScript files which we need to download from Twitter Bootstrap. So let's just download those files first. So go to your web browser and type in Twitter Bootstrap. Okay, so click on the first link and then select JavaScript plugins from the menu. Now we need to go to Popover. So for the popover, so this is how popover looks like. Like you have a button, so when you hover over the button, so you have a nice little box appearing next to it giving the title and the description about that button. So I will show you how you can create that one. So we need 2 JavaScript files. So one is tooltip and one is the popover. So let's just download tooltip first. So tooltip download file. So we Control A, Control C, we copy all the JavaScript file and paste into your text editor. Create a new file, Control V, file, save as, and we will save this file into our JavaScript file where our Bootstrap JavaScript is saved. So we will have no problem accessing it. So I will give it a name of tooltip.js and save it. Okay, so we have downloaded the tooltip, and now we need to download a popover JavaScript file. So again, we need to go to Twitter Bootstrap in the popover. So we need to download this popover file. So Control A, Control C, again back to your text editor, new file, copy and paste everything which you copied, file, save as, and again we will save in the JavaScript and JS folder, and we will name it popover.js. Okay, so now we downloaded both files which we needed. So if you go to a folder, so in JS, so there we have popover.js, tooltip.js. Now we need to reference these two into our HTML document. So we'll just copy this one, paste it twice and change the name. So it's saved in the JS folder, and the name of the file is tooltip.js, and the second file is popover.js. Okay, so that is done. So now we will start creating. So let me just first give a header. Let's say popover. Okay, so we will create a link. So href. Okay, so name of the link will be popover. Okie dokie, so closing the link tag. Now in the opening tag we will give it a ID, because we need to write a little bit of jQuery. So we'll use this ID to reference this link into our jQuery code. So ID, let's say example. Okay, and then we will use a class. So we will make this link look like a button. So I will use the class btn primary. Let's use btn primary, which will give us a nice blue color button. So now we need to use rel, which is popover, and then data hyphen content. So data content will be our content of the body but it will be the description displayed in our popover box. So I will say this is the body of popover. Okay, so the next one is data hyphen original hyphen title. So this will be the title of our popover box. So title, I'll say, let's say creativity tuts. Okay. So that is it for our HTML code. So we created a link, we give it the ID of example, class of button, btn primary, so it looks like a button, and relationship is popover, and then the data hyphen content is the body, which will be description will be displayed in our popover box, and data hyphen original hyphen title will be the title of our popover box, and then the name of the link, and then the closing link tag. So now we need to write a little bit of jQuery script. It's only about 2 lines. Script opening tag, script closing tag. So we create a jQuery function. So we take over link. So that's why we're giving it a ID. So we'll say example dot pop over. So we just call the popover function, grabbing this ID on this link. So that is it. So let's run in our browser and test whether it's working or not. Hopefully it is. So launch in our browser. So this is our popover. So there you go. When you hover over this popover button, you have a nice little box appearing next to it, giving the title creativity tuts, and that body of the popover is, this is the body of the popover. So this is how you create a popover using Bootstrap, Twitter Bootstrap. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and if you have any problem understanding this code or have any question regarding popover, drop me an email, or if you want any more tutorials on Twitter Bootstrap, drop me an email at creativitytuts@gmail.com. Once again, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.